Hey everyone, Ken here, and with the rest of my team, Jazzy and Sean, you probably know by now we're addicted to DIY projects. Why go out and buy something when you can make it? And I'm sure you've seen us use Dixie Belle's chalk mineral paint, and we love this stuff. But did you know they also have a water-based stain? And this stuff is amazing. Today's video, we're gonna show you all the colors, how to use it, why their application pad is revolutionary, and we'll even show you how to clean up the mess afterwards. So let's get ready to stain some stuff. This high-quality water-based stain are rich in pigment, low in odor, eco-friendly, easy water cleanup, and non-combustible. You can use it on unfinished wood, painted or unpainted pieces. Available in 7 colors, this gel stain can be mixed with paint, wax, or used on its own. Voodoo gel stain can easily be layered or mixed together because it is in a 8-ounce squirt bottle, which makes application easy peasy. We use the applicator pads for all of our Voodoo gel stain application. The applicator pad is super absorbent and provides a smooth, streak-free finish on all surfaces. Our first test, we're gonna try the Voodoo gel stain on wood tags. Half of it has been pre-treated wood grain and half of it has been sanded down to the MDF. The applicator pads come in a pack of 2. Apply a small amount of product to the applicator pad, apply product to project. It's a one-time use with oil-based, but because Voodoo gel is water-based, we can easily clean these with soap and water and reuse them. Well, let's see what these colors look like during this test. First up is White Magic. Now, let's take a look at Bayou Moss. One of my personal favorites right out of the box was Temptress, but how does it fare during this test? Now, let's take a look at Denim. The next color up is Tobacco Road. Now, let's take a look at Up in Smoke. And finally, one of my favorites, Black Magic. So how did the gel stain do? Well, first, let's dry all of the tags. And keep in mind that these are a pre-treated wood stain and half of it sanded down to MDF. And we can see the absorbent wasn't that great based on the material. So let's apply a second coat. So, did the second coat help? It actually helped on the left-hand side, which is the wood-treated side. But the side that we sanded down to MDF really had a hard time absorbing the Voodoo gel stain. This is based on the material and not so much the Voodoo gel stain. So, let's compare it when we actually use the gel stain on unfinished wood. This is smooth, there's no sanding, and we used a white towel to buff it out. I separated each color using some purple tape so we could see the overall effect. First up is White Magic. Next is one of my favorite colors, the Temptress color. Hopefully this fares better than it did on the tags. Let's go ahead and apply the Bayou Moss. Now, let's take a look at Denim and see how it fares. Time to turn our attention to the Up in Smoke, which is a great gray color. Now, let's try Tobacco Road. And finally, my personal favorite, Black Magic. Let's buff this one more time to make sure we have a great result. And I'm going to remove the tape and we can then take a closer look at the results. So I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty excited about these results. This is where the Voodoo stain shined. So the one thing I've learned is make sure to test the material you are working with because you could get many different results. Overall, we are really happy with our Voodoo stain, and it is our go-to stain to use when we want that natural wood pattern to show through for our projects. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's review. Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to use the links down below underneath the video. That helps support Ken's beautiful, crazy life, and for that, we thank you. Bye, everyone.